In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize a 100% stacked bar chart in Power BI. By the end, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how to visualize data proportions clearly and effectively, with each bar summing up to a complete 100%. First, let's go over what a 100% stacked bar chart is and why it's useful. This type of chart is perfect for illustrating how different subcategories contribute proportionally to a whole within each category. You can easily see how each part breaks down, giving you a clear view of the distribution across various groups. This visualization is particularly helpful when comparing the proportional contributions of different categories in a dataset. Now, let's dive into how to create this chart step by step using Power BI. Imagine you have a dataset or table that includes columns like region, product category, and sales amount. We want to create a chart that displays the percentage of sales each product category contributes within each region. To start, open Power BI Desktop on your computer and load your dataset. If you haven't done this before, find the Get Data button, click it, and select your preferred source to import your data. With your data ready to go, we can now focus on building the visual. Look to the Visualizations pane in Power BI. Here, you'll find various chart options. Click on the icon for the 100% stacked bar chart. If you don't see it right away, you might spot a simple stacked bar chart icon. Just adjust the subtype or go to More Visuals and select Get More Visuals to find what you need. With the chart type selected, let's proceed to assign the fields from your dataset to the chart. Start by dragging the field representing your categories, for example, region, over to the axis or y-axis field well. This setup means that each bar will represent a different category. Next, take the subcategory field, such as product category, and drag it into the legend field well. This step is crucial as it determines how each individual bar will be split and colored according to the different product categories. Now, grab the numeric field, which in our example is the sales amount, and drag that into the values field. This action converts the actual sales figures into proportional percentages shown within each 100% stacked bar. Once you've completed these assignments, take a moment to check your chart. Each bar should be clearly labeled, with the segments adding up to 100%. To enhance clarity, enable data labels. This will display the percentages directly on the chart, making it easy for anyone viewing it to understand the relative contributions at a glance. With these steps completed, you should now have a customized 100% stacked bar chart in Power BI, providing a powerful way to communicate data distribution. Thank you for watching, and happy charting.